You aren't. Couldn't be. Check this out. You ain't artsier than me, cause you got sideburns in a vintage tee. I said you ain't artsier than me, cause you pluck a guitar, that ain't fucking bizarre. You ain't artsier than me, cause you live in Los Feliz, bitch, you ain't Jesus. You ain't artsier than me, I got a colorful vocab, watch the low jab. So what, you're a vegan, it shows in your presence, you be geeking. And you been seeking the same light, speaking the game like the enemy. Hang tight, I got to chill about 6'1" by infinity, full of sun, rain, and potential energy. All you saw were the K-Swiss clean, Chris Crease jeans means this. So you thought and dip, my walk's hip, thoughts hipper, unzip the zipper. No, I don't wear hemp or drink liquor, and that don't make me the man, just a little bit sicker. Spit kicker with a knife and a big dipper, from an island cliff emerges a loud whisper. And I'm proud of this, it's my art. You doing yoga just to look the part. You ain't artsier than me, cause you chop up grapes and you dig in the crates. You ain't artsier than me, you just a trendy lesbian, dreadlock thespian. You ain't artsier than me, cause you make weed brownies and knit wool hats. You ain't artsier than me, you pseudo-elitist, old school sap. Don't let an 808 scare ya. Shake stripes off your shirt and clear the whole area. I'm a humanoid too, and if you're cool with me, then I look past avoiding you instead of through. I'm down with VWs and flossed out caddies on 22s too. I bang for good fools, kill for nothing. I build for something, family and peace. Hand me the peace, I hit it, I'm social. In my opinion, I'm proud, I'm vocal. Local in a foreign place. More digital than dusty, but trust me, I be touring space. You be whoring at a comfortable pace. You be skipping a chore to jump in a race. I'll be bumping my bass like you collect comics. I'm not weird, I'm honest. You ain't artsier than me, cause you only read books, don't watch TV. You ain't artsier than me, cause you shop at Whole Foods and open-toed shoes. You ain't artsier than me, cause you speak real soft and drink chai tea. You ain't artsier than me, I recycle too, I'm kinda like you. I just look cleaner, grown demeanor. Wear deodorant, registered voter, and a tree hugger too. Not in these clothes, me love of you, but it's gotta be both ways. Most days I'm earthy, stay grounded. Often it's a paper chase, I'm well-rounded. Straight to face town-ish, it's all boundless. I make a sound universally dope. Overcome adversity, reshape the worst of me. Do it for the love and release it commercially. Like a blockbuster started at Sundance. Can't stop, man, you only get one chance. Presentation is key, hesitation ain't C. Innovation is my ART. Dedication is free, occupation is me. Innovation is my ART. Check this out. You ain't artsier than me, cause you drive a hybrid and carpool with 3. You ain't artsier than me, cause you a 16 Mexican. You ain't ethnic and you ain't artsier than me. You just a broke ass poet with the same old cadence. You ain't artsier than me, we was conscious first. Welcome to Earth. You ain't artsier than me.